Why are we taking off the leaves, Dad?
So the apricot tree blooms right on Tet Day. Perfect timing.
It's like helping it dress up for the new year.
What a lovely idea.
Why do we wrap the cake in green leaves?
Green means freshness. It keeps the cake and the year lucky.
Then I'll wrap it extra tight for extra luck.
That's the spirit.
What do these red papers mean?
They are good wishes for health, peace, and wealth.
I want to make one that says, I wish for more toys. Why are we cleaning this so carefully, Dad?
Because it's the altar, our way to honor family from the past.
Can we leave a piece of bánh chưng for Grandpa? Why are there so many yellow flowers here?
Yellow means wealth and warmth. It lights up Tet.
I want to bring some home for Mom, too. Why are we painting the chairs, Dad?
Because Tet is about refreshing everything, even old chairs.
Can I paint mine in golden color for extra luck? Why only 5 fruits? Can't we add more?
5 is traditional. Each fruit carries a wish for the new year.
Then I wish 1 fruit meant no homework. Dad, where's my lucky red envelope?
Say your New Year's greeting first, Mr.
Happy New Year! I wish you double your salary. Dad, look! The fireworks are so big this year!
Each one is like a wish bursting into the sky.
Then I'll make a wish for every boom! Why are we going to Uncle Hi's house first?
He's the first house we visit. It brings good luck to both families.
Then I'll wear my lucky red shirt and say extra wishes.
That's a wonderful idea.